welcome to Idiotic Nature. It is our new part of the channel, soon to be a channel, where we makeshift our own nature information.
This will get sent to my phone so that I can make it a CapCut. So if I need to switch the camera.
Okay.
So
There's a dog.
Where?
Retreat. Dog. Right. Retreat. Retreat. Dog. There's a dog. Dog.
Okay, we do have something.
Alright. We have the glorious mother there.
I'm going to switch my camera. I'm going to switch my camera.
And yeah, so.
I'm going to switch my camera.
Alright. Whoa. Yeah, so
My camera's switched.
it's gonna be.
Okay, where are we going to go?
Idiotic nature. Jeez. Whoa!
Right, girls struggling. Right, girls,
Alright.
go through here.
Yes, go through this place.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, that's the dog. Run. We must hide. We must run. Run. Okay. So here there's a den we just found, and there's a squirrel.
Oh my god. That's nature for you.
Yeah.
Vicky, we found a squirrel.
Yeah. Mum. Oh my. Okay. Instant football. Pick a stick. We're gonna have to have our own sticks. Oh, this is the chosen one. Oh, oh, oh. Hmm.
Little Jabba. Little Jabba's this one's name.
My one is called
Look at him go.
Boba Fett. Look at mine.
Thy far we go. Come on, let's go.
Yeah.
Where are we gonna go?
Onward to wherever.
Let's go this way. No, let's go this way.
All right. Idiotic nature, idiotic nature, idiotic nature, idiotic nature. We are here. Hey, we are here. We are here. We are here.
The big tree's over this way.
All right.
The big tree is like, you know, we have been here before, but I still haven't gone up there. It is pretty. There's like a huge project. I don't know how far.
This is my stick. Mm-hmm.
Deal with this stick.
Yes. The stick.
Like stick. Go onward.
Yes.
And there won't be no second tries of this.
Yeah,
It'll be
this
our
is
first try.
all from scratch,
We
off
did
the
from
dome.
start, we can't go, hey-yo. The big tree. This is that one.
This is the center. We're in the center now. Yeah. So. Yeah. So let's go. Yeah. Green symbol. Yeah. So.
The video just ended.
What? Oh well. Okay, now it's just me.
No, it's still me. Alright, so my camera died. So now it's just this.
It won't be like this when we actually get settled in. This is kind of an introduction.
This is just
Like to my mentoring that I have every Monday. No, Friday. How dare you?
Alright, come on, let's go.
This is sap. I hate.
Alright, I'm gonna go drop off the phone. Do you want to get out sandwiches?
Okay. We're gonna have a little break, everybody.
No, we're not gonna end the video.
We're gonna end the video.
Alright, we're not gonna end the thing.
Yeah, I know.
We're just gonna make it.
Whoa.
We have the everyday.
Ah!
I hit the camera.
You just hit the
The one
camera.
and only.
The one and only camera.
No, the one and only Tesco real deal.
The one and only. Let's go meal deal. Let's go meal deal. Let's go meal deal.
£3 what it costs us. Alright, let's go this way. We don't know our way around. So we're just
Yeah, so we're just gonna kind of the shrubs. Yeah, guys. So this is gonna be a very long series, like probably even more. We're probably not gonna end it. I'm gonna call for mother.
Be really big ones by the time it's out.
I'm gonna call for mother. Mother!
Moderate. What?
Moderate. What? Oh, we don't know footballers. Or do we?
Oh, I see it.
Ah. I think I see mother. Where's mother? Mother.
It's on the rock. Remember, we have the medium tree. That's the poker rock.
Ah, yes, mother. Mother is here. Yes. But the phone died. So it's just me. And if my camera dies, then it's your phone that is gonna have to be used, Mum.
Yeah, because she's reading a book, so.
Sandwiches now, are you?
Yeah. So we're gonna have a little break. We'll like make some snippets.
So put the camera down, maybe.
All right.
Or why don't you just turn it off for a minute while you're having lunch?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have CapCut, so yeah. Stop.
Yeah. So see, guys. I'll see you in a minute.
We're just gonna eat our sandwiches.
Yeah, it's gonna be like 2 seconds for you guys.
Where are you gonna put it? Put it in the bag.
Yeah. So be back with you once we've eaten our lunch.
Let's put that together on CapCut. Whatever.
Yes. So come on, we go. Let's go back to camp.
All right, back to camp we go. Look how poor this picture quality is. Look at that. Look at that picture quality. It's like, that's actually decent.
Oh, that's actually really good.
Oh, alright. So.
I wonder what it's going to do.
Alright, look for letters on trees. I put some on, I don't know what it does. It said lock or something. I don't know, I turned it off.
You turned it off.
Yeah, they said.
You can just clap it together. Alright, is it recording now?
Yeah, it's recording. It's been recording for 1 minute and 20 seconds. Wow.
We're back to camp, everybody.
Are we? No, we ain't.
Here we are.
St. Camp? Oh, there's camp. We made it back alive.
Instant football. Positions. Hey. Why are you doing that? Why you do that? It's still recording.
Doritos.
Doritos and Mountain Dew.
Alright.
And although
How about
we
we
don't.
leave our sticks and go for a little walkabout?
I think we've done enough.
Not the whole thing.
What do you mean?
Episode, yeah. We haven't finished all our stuff.
All our snacks. Alright, so we're gonna have a little break.
Again.
Yeah, so see you in a bit. Bye.
Is it on?
Okay. Hello. We're back from my break.
I've got Dr. Pepper now.
Dr. Pepper.
No, do you mean Professor Peppy?
Yeah. So.
Wait, we've got a stick. Oh, don't worry.
No, we need to get our sticks. We need to get the sticks. They are a sole component to victory. Mine. And where's yours?
Oh, I'll grab it.
Alright. So let's do this. Don't touch it. What are you doing?
Let's go. Right forward we go.
Thy forward? You mean onwards?
No. No, got it. It's there. Alright, let's go this way.
I think it's an oak tree from Minecraft.
Hurry up.
And here we have another tree. Maybe birch? No, not birch.
Oh, it's birch. Oh, it's not birch.
It's not birch.
I know what birch
It's
is.
spruce.
Don't do that.
Why?
Oh, hi, spruce. I love you. Alright, come on.
Cooper. No.
Huh?
Burr.
Huh?
Instant football. Look. What?
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 Let's go.
It's pointing at something.
Oh, it's pointing. Let's go over here.
It's over here.
You know what we have to do for any birch we see?
We must kill it.
Yes.
Kill it. Kill it.
Because Minecraft.
I'm doing a running thing. We are.
Come on, we need to show everyone where we've gone.
Go crazy. Ah.
Wait, no, wait. Turn around and make a slide. Turn around and make a slide. I don't know if you did it, but
What is it?
it said sub.
Oh. On a muster. Yeah, it's clearer. And then a B.
At this point.
Sub. You can't see it though.
Yes, you can. Yeah, you know. So come on. What the hell is this tree?
It's an old tree.
Alright. There's a stop there, so we're gonna have to go over here now.
Pardon?
We're gonna have to take a right here.
Yes.
This is a puzzle.
So this is not going to be like what it's going to be all the time. This is just like an introduction.
To the place we
Yeah, so it'll be funnier once we like.
This isn't the thing I'm gonna kick things from. I'm going to kick this. I found the god.
What the? I thought you actually found one, then I was like, what?
Look at it. Got a little scope. Reloaded.
Sniper.
Pull this back. Reload.
Fortnite.
Like you. Where shall I go? It's over there. If we want.
Alright, let's go.
No, because it's this thing. I can't write G in school. We found an R. R for
Roblox. What? Wrecked. Yeah, wrecked. Clown gets wrecked by shovel, yeah. Oh, have you seen that one? It's like, dun, 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 dun. I had the one. Oh, it's really funny.
Clown gets wrecked
By a stick.
Oh, it's not in my face.
Whoa. Fading away.
I don't know why that sounds in the tree. This tree, you see, has fallen out.
Yes, and it's a special.
No, let me jump on it. Let me jump on it.
The hecahedron.
Oh, no, I didn't do that. Come on. Don't get... Wait, how many minutes is it?
For this.
I found an eye.
For Ibrahimovic.
Or inside.
Idiotic.
Idiotic. We just need to find that N. Idiot. Yeah, it's called idiotic nature because we don't know shit about those nature.
We don't know what?
Shit about nature.
Yeah.
I don't get it. I always make a dead idea. I don't know.
Nothing there. There isn't.
Come on.
No, the other way. There's nothing there. No. No, there's squirrels there. Squirrels.
Have you got fear of squirrels?
No, they have rabies. Probably. Maybe.
Rabies aren't in this country.
They have
What country?
insomnia then.
We said Tesco meal. Yeah, but you've had your jab.
What, of insomnia?
Yeah.
Insomnia is where you can't sleep.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh. I don't mind.
Look, it's like a hook. Can you record me now? Thank you.
I am la camera. Man.
Yes, you are. Got a little shotty. A Tesco meal deal.
Meal deal, lad.
Make sure you get your stick. Alright guys, we don't have enough time. So we'll see you next time. And